This is day 139 and today I'm looking at the spew error. So I've received a lot of questions on why do we get spew error or what does it mean? So the spew error, usually you get it when you have an array formula which is supposed to populate an array. So this array formula, for example, you can see here there is this fine blue line. It shows that the formula I have put here is supposed to populate the whole entire area up until here. But then the problem is there is already data in the destination area. So that's why it gives me a spew error. So to handle the error, I have to remove whatever text is within my target range here. The target range being the range where I want to put the results of my array formula. So if I delete this, you can see now the spew area is gone. But the moment I type something within this area, you can see here, this is an array formula. Here there is no formula, there's no formula here. The only formula is in this range here. And if I type something here, for example, if I type 1, for example, here, you see it gives the spew error because now my target range is dirty. So to just make sure that I get rid of the spew error, I just have to hit delete and clean my target range. So this is how you can handle the spew error. Thank you. Bye-bye.